student, welcome to our physics practical class. Today we find out the focal length of a convex lens. What is the aim of the experiment? We find out the focal length of a convex lens by UV method. What apparatus we required? We need one convex lens mounted with a stand, wooden stand. As we are doing from distance, we cannot get the proper instrument, but I will show you the experiment anyhow. A source of light, a candle. Here we use a candle as a source of light, a screen and a meter scale. We use this instrument and find out the focal length of a lens by the formula 1 by f. Here f is the focal length of the lens, is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. U is the object distance here. Object distance means from the candle to the lens. It is the object distance. And what is the v? V is the image distance. From the screen to the lens, this is the image distance. So, by different object distance, we find out the image distance. 4 times we will do the experiment by different object distance and we find out the focal length of the lens. After that, we take our average and we write the focal length of the lens. Now come and see the experiment. You see a candle is there. Have you seen the candle? Yes, that is the light source. That candle, we measure by a meter scale the distance between the candle and the lens. Distance between the candle and the lens. Now we find out the image on the screen. Image on the screen. You see the screen, there is a image. Here is a image. And when we shift the, see here is a image. When we shift the screen, the image is blunt. When we shift in front of the lens, the image is vanished. So in a particular place only we got the image. In a particular place we got the image. See the image. So in this way we find out the distance of the lens and the image distance, both we find out by this showing these ones. This is little bit difficult to show because we are not getting any stand or anything. Anyhow, I am showing you. Just now you see that ones. Here is the image. So by this way we find out the image distance. A sharp image on the screen. Okay. So again we change the distance of the candle from the lens. We see the distance of the candle. This is the lens and this is the candle. We change the object distance from the lens and again we find out the image distance. Here you see the image distance. I am trying to show you. It is not that much prominent. if we will do it in the dark room, we can get that one, but here the sunlight is there, so it is not so prominent, but I am showing you this is the image. So again we find out the image distance, object distance and image distance we find out. Like this way, object distance and image distance we find out, and we find out the focal length of the lens. The focal length of this lens. The focal length of this lens. And by this way, I am showing you that one. See that one. The sharp image, inverted sharp image, inverted sharp image. By pin also we can find out this one. It is easy to a light source to find out that one. So now we find out the lens to the screen and the object distance and image distance, and find out the focal length of the lens. Okay, today up to this.